Man accused of brutally murdering his 18-year-old girlfriend will face first-degree murder charges.
Authorities say back in July, 21-year-old Juan Diaz Perez killed 18-year-old Cecily Perez. The suspect is then accused of hiding the victim in the bed of his truck, and a judge ruled there is enough evidence to move forward with this case.
10 News reporter Ellis Rold was in the courtroom today. She joins us now with what she heard. Alice.
John, Robin, this was the preliminary hearing for Diaz Perez's murder case. Today, both the prosecution and the defense presented evidence to the judge. They argued over something called probable cause, having enough evidence to charge someone with a crime. A Knox County judge decided Wednesday whether to charge a man in the brutal killing of his girlfriend in July. But attorneys argued over what probable cause actually means. Juan Diaz Perez appeared in court, accused of killing Cecily Perez with a machete. The prosecution called KPD detective Thomas Turner to the stand, who detailed Perez's extensive wounds.
She had massive injuries to her face and head, as well as her hands and arms.
Autopsy reports show Perez had over 50 chopping injuries to her head and neck. Her body was found in the bed of Diaz Perez's truck, along with a machete.
We located a large black-handled machete with black hair and what appeared to be blood on it.
The defense cross-examined Turner for almost an hour. Prosecutors objected several times, saying the hearing should focus on probable cause, not extraneous details. The judge sustained almost all of those objections. Diaz Perez's attorney pushed back.
I think that sustaining these objections is not giving him a fair opportunity to have a hearing.
But the judge said to stay focused on providing evidence. The defense wanted to call the medical examiner to the stand to point out differences in two reports about the specific number of injuries Perez had. The prosecution said,
again, that doesn't go to rebut probable cause. And that's what we're here for. It does not rebut probable cause.
The judge ultimately agreed, and she didn't take the stand. He decided there's enough evidence to give this case to a grand jury. Now, if Diaz Perez is indicted by that grand jury, he'll be formally charged with first-degree murder and have a trial. Robin.
All right, Ellis, thank you very much.